Kwa CCTV ni mausoro, ndio ni succeed itabidi ni lead. Juu siezi follow, niishi life bila pressure, nipate time ya leisure yenye haitawai nihemesha. Juu mimi ni ruler na sipendi kutake measures.
Wanapendana juu ya do, kikiana juu ya do, wanauana juu ya do, wanauana juu ya do, wanaifanya juu ya do, wanaifanya juu ya do, wanapendana juu ya do, kikiana juu ya do, wanauana juu ya do, wanauana juu ya do, wanaifanya juu ya do, wanaifanya juu ya do. Tulikuwa tumetoka kuperform, tunawasha tao kitu 4 asubuhi, tushapatana na udem wasa umuita ho, ashatuitisha do, angalau ataka niso, ana malipa kudosi, nikamshow kawe enjoy hii kazi unaifanya juu ya nini, akanishow akona majunia wawili na hao watoi tumbo zao ndo zimememploy, anaifanya juu ya do. Next day tukakutana na mse fulani wa mjengo akibishana na mdosi, hati amemzimia phone, anataka iwe hatia ye kumuitisha do zake, nikamshow unaifanya juu ya nini, kai kuingizi do ya kutosha, kaniambia kasi hivyo anaweza lala kwa tent ka IDP, anaifanya juu ya rent. Sunday tukakutana na pasta akidanganya makondo wafuasi, nikamshow unafurahia kutumia jina ya God, akaniambia school fees na bill za maji hazitajipay. Nikaangalia vile hao Afrika weusi au behave wakipata hiyo ganje, tabia za kipuzi, leo na kutusi. Na jana au juzi tulikuwa naye hapa chini, akishatumia wiki moja zimeland, kesho atarudi. Politician akanishow wenyewe na feel proud kudanganya hii crowd, alafu next time akirudi bado watampatia crown, watamchagua round ingine.
Socks zinanuka but still anavumilia. Shushaina hoko umemwignore but still anakukimbilia. Q haina office attendant amesota but still amepigilia. Akaefaina blame society juu cheda ndio definer. Mali naishi unapimwa vile uko kulingana na uzito wa mfuko, ndio maana huku na huko hakukosi vituko, masumbuko, mchafuko, mifiatuko, na usidhani sisi hatuko. Yeah,
sipendi mabudana, pia mimi sio ho, naifanya tu ya do.
Yeah, hivi ndio dem fulani wa kampo after kukutana naye kwa corridor ya lodging alinishow. Saa hizo macho zinasoro na sura amekunja mpaka inaweza scare crow. Situation yako wewe ndio unaino, juu raundi pia vipofu wana rip what they saw.
Wanapendana juu ya do, kikiana juu ya do, wanauana juu ya do, wanauana juu ya do, wanaifanya juu ya do, wanaifanya juu ya do, wanapendana juu ya do, kikiana juu ya do, wanauana juu ya do, wanauana juu ya do, wanaifanya juu ya do, wanaifanya juu ya do.
Wanapendana juu ya do, oh, wanachuki juu ya do, oh, wanauana juu ya do, wanauana juu ya do, oh, wanachuki makali, hasira, kisasi, yote juu ya do. Wanapendana juu ya do, oh, wanachuki juu ya do, oh, wanauana juu ya do, wanauana juu ya do, oh, wanachuki makali, hasira, kisasi, yote juu ya do. Wanapendana juu ya do, oh, wanachuki juu ya do, oh, wanauana juu ya do, wanauana juu ya do.
Alright. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for some shots. I don't know where my guy is. It's supposed to be in this live together. I don't know where he is. Yeah, okay, we'll still be looking for some cells around this area. That's what I'm really looking for right now. I want some cell around this area. Once we come around this point here, around 4680, I will be shorting and targeting for like 100 pips as usual. 100 pips as usual. That will be my target, and then I will move on with the day. Okay. Yeah, but the most important thing is having a clear target and something logical to aim. Yeah, I believe so. I believe so. So like waiting for this to come to my entry here, then I'll target. It's a 1.5 hour trade, a 1.5 to 2 hour trade. Yeah, let's call it a 1.5 hour trade. Yeah, a 1.5 hour trade. We will aim for this low here, because you can see we have two equal lows around this point here. We have two equal lows up around here, so we will enter around this point here, then we will target this low here. Okay, let's put some equal lows around here. You can see that's our first target if price comes to our entry. Let's highlight how we think this thing should play out. I think it should first come to this point of interest, then we can tank down to low created in Asia. Okay, we have a low created here in Asia. It lies around how many points? 23 points or 220 points there. Okay, so that's what we want to see in price. That's what we want to see in price around here. I believe one of the most crucial things when trading is patience. You know, without patience you can't get your entries right. You must be patient. Like, I believe you must be patient and wait for your criteria to happen. Okay, like for me myself, I'm waiting for 100 points only. Okay, I realize waiting for a few points is so better than like trading and waiting for like 100 and 100 and 100 and 100 up to like you get to like 1,000 points. But if you can get 100 points like here and there, you get to 100 points and you close your trade, I believe that can be beneficial. Yeah. Yeah, so it's London session. It's 2:33 a.m. you can see it here, and we are hunting for that London protraction, because during London we oftenly have these types of protraction where price comes here, goes, and they all range from 10 to 20 points. Okay, it's in every London session. Like, it happens every day. It happens every day. This move that I hunt happens every day. I won't lie to you. Like, it happens every freaking day. But you have to abide to the rules. You have to abide to the rules. 1 to 2 setups a day, and it's done. You compound. Over time it compounds. Okay? Over time everything compounds. That's the greatest lesson that I've learned. That's the greatest lesson that I've learned over time trading. If you can't be patient and if you don't have the patience to compound, it will be very challenging to see your curve grow. Okay, so you have to be like very patient while trading. Very, very, very patient. Extra patient actually. So we are waiting for that entry around that point. Yeah, we want to see price coming to this point of interest here. You can see where my entry starts. My entry starts around this point here. I don't want to see price passing around this area. Once price come to that area, I'm activating. I'm activating manually. Actually, I'm using my phone to activate. I just use TradingView for analysis. but executions, everything, I use my phone to execute. Okay, so what's the main reason that I've taken this shot here? I believe the main reason why I can get some short here is because, first of all, we've taken some liquidity around this point here. You can see this point. This is a very crucial point here. We've taken that liquidity, then we've broken down. Okay, you can see this move down. Don't forget that this area here is a point of interest in the higher time frame. Okay, so this being a higher time frame PDRA or point of interest makes this a premium array. Okay, from here to here, and you can see we are at the middle of that PDRA. Okay, now that gives me a confluence, like I can trade from there. Okay, so my point is that I want for price to come here around this region here, the green marked region, then we can tank. Okay, that's the main thing I think I can wait for today. Okay, I don't want so much. I just want like 2 clean setups for London session, and then I'm done for the day. Like I don't care what will happen through New York. I'll just watch, but nothing more. Okay, because I've come to realize that like you need to reduce the number of trades that you take. Like you really need to reduce the number of trades that you take. If you fail to do so, it will be very challenging for you. Okay, so we need to have price coming to this area. Like I'm waiting for it to come around that point. I'm still locked in and patient. I want to see how price react around that area. Okay, it's very important that you wait. It's very important that you wait for price at your area. Okay, you don't need to like trade every candle. No. Even if you're scalping, you don't need to be in the market every minute. I am a scalper, but most of the time I'm waiting for my levels. It's just that my levels get retraced too faster. I get to see my results quicker, okay, compared to a swing trader, because I have so many things going on, because I have to attend to other things. That's why my life fits scalping criteria. Okay, don't go now. I want you to come back to the entry first before going down. That will be a very good entry. It will be a very good entry shots. Yeah, so I hope it comes before getting to this TP, before sweeping below this low. Actually, this is a very important low that I don't want to see it swept for now. I want it holding until price comes back to our premium, then we can tank. Okay, yeah, so this is the whole criteria. This is the whole narrative in the 1 minute time frame that I think might unfold. Okay, yeah. Yeah, price is approaching our level. I can see it approaching our level slowly. Yeah, I'm still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. If you've not realized yet, slow trading is the real trading. Okay, slow trading is the real trading. You need to like trade slowly. You need to like have patience, man. Have patience. Kama una patience, it will be challenging. Itakuwa tricky sana. If you have no patience inside you and discipline of waiting, itakuwa mbaya. Lazima uwe discipline this game. You must be disciplined. There's no other way. There's no other way through this. You must be disciplined. You must wait for your setups. must. So I'm waiting for price to come to this entry area here. I don't know where my guy is. Like, I love when we trade together, because it gives us a sense of accountability, because you can take useless trades when you have a trading partner. Okay, let me call him actually. All right. Yeah, so we're still waiting for price to come around this point, but it's very stubborn. It comes close to this area, then it starts to go down, but I want it to come at least higher. I hope price comes to this area. I think it just started to go down. Right, we just missed that low. We just missed that low. So I'm like, all right, I think price will come to our entry. I think it will come to our entry. Yeah, price is approaching that area. No rush in waiting. I don't rush at all. I just take my time, wait for my entries. But when price come to my entry, I don't hesitate. Okay, I don't hesitate at all. I make sure I take that trade. Okay, so like for now, I'm waiting for price to come around this area. It's a premium area. When price comes around that area, I'll take that trade. No hesitation at all. Okay. Yeah. Patience. Most people think that like if you're a scalper you should not wait. Nah, I think even if you're a scalper you should wait, because I don't think you should enter trades just any areas that you think, okay, this area is fit to enter. I don't think you should enter blindly. Okay, I think you should follow a strategic criteria that you enter after you see happen. Okay, let's say you are a liquidity trader. You must see, let's say, some form of liquidity being grabbed before entering the trade. Okay, so you need to understand these things before trading. So you can find yourself, you're a scalper, but you keep trading every candle. Like, you trade this candle, you trade this short, you trade this long. Okay, you want to catch this short. Okay, you have the fear of missing out. You think this trade will leave you. Okay, that's scalping here, but that's more of gambling. Okay, you can be a scalper, but you can still be a gambler, and you can be a swing trader, and you can still be a gambler. Okay, so it's all about patience, waiting, risk management, and following a structural procedure. Okay, so that's all. So I'm just waiting for this, hoping price comes to my entry, man. Like, yo. Yeah, price just came back to this DOL, but I still hope it comes back over here to around 46.80. I won't take a shot before 46.80. I don't think they'll tank this thing before 46.80. I still believe they'll come to this area here. Let's make it more visible. This makes it look bigger. Yeah, let's make it that way. Once price comes to this area, now I'm taking that shot. Even if we took this DOL, I'll use this low here as the new DOL. Okay, but I still believe this is still valid. So I'll keep waiting. I'll keep waiting. Right, welcome. So will it come back to my entry, or it will just keep going down? That's what we're waiting to see. But I believe price will still come back over here. I still believe that. And I'll still keep hunting. I'll hunt until price comes back to my entry. Before that, nah, it's not doing anything. We have a new zone around this area. The 5 minutes time frame created a new zone here. I think we are going for Asia low. Asia low looks like something that price is going to attack. So 4.40 pips. We also have here a fair value gap here, you can see it, and we also have an inverted fair value gap here. That makes a balanced price range. So this becomes our new levels, or our new level point of interest. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Will price come back to this area here? That's the biggest question right now. Have these two points here, but I really want this upper part to be tested. Okay, I will take this trade, but it seems wrong. I will take this trade here. Yeah, the short trade here. I will take this, but it just feels wrong to short from here. See, I just feel wrong. I don't know. I just feel wrong to short from here, targeting this around this area. It's a 3R, but there's something about this trade. There's something about this trade that I don't believe about this second trade here. See here? I don't think this will work. But once it comes back to this point of interest here, I'm shorting the first area that we had. Okay, so let's leave this trade, because it's a point of interest, but it's a weak one. It's a weak one. This green here, it's my point of interest, but it's a weak one. So I'll take the upper one instead. Yeah, so to the first point of interest, this one, let's mark it like, let's put it 1. Okay, let's mark it 1, make it a bigger one. Yeah, once price come to this area, I'm shorting it. Okay, once price comes to this area, I'm shorting it. You see, I told you this is a very strong point of interest. Okay, this one above here. So I'm looking for it to come, for price to come to that candle there, then I can short it. Without price coming to that area, I won't be shorting it, because that's one of the trades that you can take and you'll regret later. So there's no need. Let's wait for the best one. See, it just fell. That was a false point of interest. But this upper here, this is what I'm waiting for. Where is Yeah, so price came new new low as my DOL. Okay, I'll use this new low here as my DOL and the Asian too. Okay, so you have two new points of, I guess it's one, and this is the older one. This is the older POI. Yeah, 3 minutes to the new candles opening. New 1 hour candle opening in the next like 2 minutes. Okay. Price is so slow to come to my entry today. I don't know what's up. All right. Still waiting for price to come to these entry points here. Still waiting. Sometimes I think waiting is the biggest challenge that I come across when trading. Most of the time, actually. Waiting is so hard. People make it seem like it's an easy thing to do, but waiting, don't play, bruh. Don't play about waiting. Don't play, okay? So I'm expecting to see some bull run from there up to my entry. Let's say some bias. Let's use that notion. Bias wanaweza ingia around here 46.72. Then we can have some little buys until 46.78, around 46.80 there. Then from there I'll think of selling, but I don't think it's time to sell yet. I don't think it's time to sell yet. So I'll just wait for them to come to my entry. I want my entries best. I don't want like getting like sloppy entries. I don't love sloppy entries. Ooh. 46.80 Kolo pip tracker 46, nangoja ifike, nangoja nione kama itarudi 46.90 alafu nifinye lot. Yeah, I think hapo we can get some lot hapo, but I'm waiting for 46.80. 46.80.35, that's what I'm waiting. 46.80 is my level. That's the level I'm waiting for. Yo, I've hunted this trade. You learn may hunt for long. I've hunted for long. Yeah, I've hunted for long. I don't love hunting this much. Yeah, but it's not long. It's about like 35 minutes. So I guess me don't go impatient. Alright. Yeah. So that buy that we are anticipating for, is, I guess the price is about to give us that. So we'll wait for price to give us that, then come to our entry around this area, then we'll tank it, okay? Then we'll short it around that point. No wahala. Okay. All right. What do you think? What's your opinion on this metal, gold? Long term. I'm saying 6K long term. I'm saying 6K long term. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, price starts to come to our entry. Yeah, starting to get that bull run there. Yeah, I want it to come shooting upwards more. That's what I'm watching for. I want for it to come around this 4680 level. Then we can ride it from 4680 to 4670. I think price will retest this area here. I think it will come to this area. So let's wait. Yes, price is coming to our entry. I guess price is approaching. Price is finally approaching my entry. Okay. This is the point that I anticipate to short. That's why I want to short gold. Alright. Yeah, price is about to come to my point of interest. I do sell. That area I'm selling. Let's wait for it patiently. It's here. Still patient. I guess this patience is really measured around these times here. How you wait, how you execute after you're inside that trade, you get measured. Your psychology inakuwa put into a test, like real huge test. me one more push to the upside, then we can finally go down. Just one move, just one. Yeah, give me a few more push to the upside. I want you around 46.80. 46.80 is where I'm comfortable shorting you, Mr. Gold. Yo. Okay. Keep buying, keep buying, keep buying. All right. I don't want you to short from that point. Like I want for it to come around 46.80. Yeah. Keep pushing up, banner. We need like 46.80. 30 pips. Give us 30 pips to the upside so that we can short comfortably. All right. Okay, that's good. Keep pushing. Keep pushing to the upside. All right. That's good. Okay, you're about there. Yeah, almost there. One more push, bro. One more push. I guess yeah, waiting for like it's just 10 pips. Yeah, right there. I guess it there. Yeah, I guess we should start shorting from now. I don't want us to keep going up from that point. I don't want to keep your voice down. Yeah, that's my point of interest. That's what I was waiting for before I can start shorting. Yeah, my first position is on. I'm selling from there, waiting for like 10 points only, then I'm out of the market from 46.80 to like 46.70. Yeah, from around there. Okay, now waiting for the order flow to change. We have this inverted fair value gap here. We want to see it being traded below. Once price trade below this inverted fair value gap around 46.78 to around 46.79 there. If price crosses below that, that's a valid change in structure. But I wouldn't want to see price go above any point from 46.80. If it goes, well and good, but there's a very, very important level. I really want to see a shot from here. I'd love to see a shot from here actually. This is my first trade. This is my first trade of the day. Okay, give me that shot. I need that order flow to switch from bullish to like bearish. I really need that to do it. Yeah, the switch from that point to like the change in structure. I want to see this fair value gap being fully covered. Like I want to see us go below that fair value gap there. I want it inverted. This is my DOL here. If it sells, fine. If it doesn't, fine. But I think we can get a sell from there. I think we can get a sell from there. But I'm aiming for 10 points, so 46.80 to 46.70. From there to like this low, this. You know, this where people should take partial, but I normally close the whole position at around 10 points. Base hits. If it comes, fine. If it doesn't, fine. No problem. We keep rolling the dice. Okay. It just started to drop. Okay, thank you, keep dropping. I want you to violate that fair value gap. I don't want you to respect it. Okay, nice one. You just shot below it. That's fine. Let's keep going down. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Let's drop. Let's keep dropping. Yeah, I want us to close below that level there. That will be very important. The closure below that point will be very, very, very important, but I don't think we'll close below that. But I still think it's legit, but it's going to take time to close below that since we've just closed above it. Or we can get another sweep to that high. Let's see. Yeah, that's why I wanted for them to close below this low. I mean this fair value gap. Alright, let's see if we sweep this liquidity and read it again and start shorting. Okay. Okay, fine. Can you read that liquidity and now run to the sell side? I think that's enough buy side for now, man. That's enough buy side. We should at least now start reading sells, man. Cheni mchezo. Alright, price still meandering around our entry point. Yeah, still waiting. In a small loss at the moment. We are in a small loss at the moment. Yeah, at least now we can start shorting. Like, that would be a good place to start going down. Don't use that fair value gap. I want you to like keep shorting down, man. That 1 minute fair value gap over there, it's not good. I don't want to see it there. I want to see it like being violated. At least let's read this low here first so that we can have a switch in market structure. I want a market structure shift around here. They are late to bring that market structure shift. I thought they'd bring it earlier, but I hope they bring it now. Yo, why are you testing my entry level, bro? Yo. I hope today is not that day for the monkey. where the trees softens on the slides. Oh man, I think that's that day. But no, we still have that room for our SL to be hit. I guess we can accumulate some heat over here and see how we go. No, we have our stop loss for that reason. Where is Mike today? Where is Mike? Alright, still around my stop loss zone. Alright. I think I'm getting wrecked today. But I'll still wait for that thing to play out. I'll still wait for it to play out. I won't cancel it. I have this sell side liquidities over here. I think I'll take that loss as a man. Let's see our last line of defense. This is our last line of defense here. Let's see if we get tapped and start going down. All right. right. Let's see. Alright. Do we reverse around here or we keep going up? Let's see if we get an order flow change. But from the 5 minute, I think it will be hard for price to reverse around this area. But no problem, we still keep watching price and seeing what it does. It will be good. It will be good if it reverses around that zone, because it almost got to my T from to my SL, man. It almost, but it missed us by let's say 0.5% or a quarter. Yeah, so I hope it reverses from here. My god, I hope it reverses from here. I hope it does reverse. Yeah, I think we have a little order flow switch here. I think we might start going down if the algo respect this underlying it's a short term underlying order flow, but if price respect this zone here, let's mark it red. If price respect that zone there, then we can start seeing some sell positions coming to the market. Okay, but I don't know, let's see. We're already halfway in our stop loss, so yeah, the only thing we can do is like let price do whatever it does, because we're already in. There's nothing we can do. Our stop loss is there, our SL is, our TP is there, so yeah. All right. Price is steady digging to my zone. The reason I love London is that if it was New York, if it was New York, you don't have like any time to like negotiate. Like you don't have time like to read through the price action. It's not like putting your lines and expecting liquidity, blah blah blah. Nah, there's nothing like that when you're trading during New York. It's very volatile, mostly with Trump talking and doing all those things, blah blah blah. Yo, it's messy. I didn't think we'd go for Asia. I thought we'd go for the Asian low first, then we'll take it to the Asian high. It's alright, no problem. Let's wait for it to do whatever it wants to do. We are halfway inside our loss, our risk, I mean. My stop loss above here, and I'm still waiting for it to get hit or for it to get respected. Whatever comes, we're ready. Okay. This long here was actually a good trade. Actually, it just dawned to me, but I didn't think they'll dig this deep into these up closes. I didn't think they'll dig this deep. I thought they'll dig from this area from 46.80 to like tanking, but no, we are at 46.84, 40 pips in. And most of my trades don't take this long. Most of my trades take around 15 minutes. So you can imagine from like around 3 and it's 3:30. That's around 30 minutes waiting for this trade to like pan out, man. Like but it's patience when waiting for your patience when waiting for your TP, and patience when waiting for your trade, patience when waiting for your SL. I guess the whole time it's patience. Everything is patience here, because I'm already in. I don't think there's anything else I can do, and if I try to do anything else in the market right now, I'll jeopardize everything. That's what I believe. Like, once you have your stop losses and TP, everything in the market right, I don't think you should touch the market again. Okay. All right. Let's 46.87. That's the perfect point. Have my set around 46.87, around this area. Yeah, exactly there. So it's around 40 pips above. Yeah, if that level doesn't hold, yeah, taking that loss. All right. All right. Yo, give me like some sell candles. It's time to give me like some sell candles for real. Like, you stayed around my stop loss for some time now. You've stayed around my stop loss area for some minutes now. Okay. So I want to see, like, at least let me come back to like my part of like attack. Give me my my attack season now. Like at least 2 candles, yeah. 2 candles are good with me. I even don't aim for so much. Like, I don't know why this algo today is doing me this. Like, I just need 10. Just 10 points more. Like, that's just 100 pips. I don't want much. I'm already 1 hour inside the stream. Should have taken these buys here, but it's alright. That wasn't my trade. This is my trade. Even if it's a loss, this is my trade. Okay. Trading is very challenging. You see, most new beginners tell me like, "Oh, what's this trading thing? How does it go?" This thing is so challenging. Okay, but it's also simple if you understand it. But in moments like this, where I'm waiting for my SL to be hit, that's when most newbies like can even blow their account, close their positions. See, that's where psychology comes in terms of losses you can take them. Okay, I think you need to be like that if you want to be a trader. I think you need to be like that. You need to be able to take losses, because the profits you take them. This is my 5th trade for the week, man. 5th trade for the week. I have 3 winners and 1 loss, yeah. So this is my 5th trade, and I think, depending on this order flow, I think I'm taking this L, man. I think I'm taking this L. The best thing is to like, yeah, accept it, like accept that L. You can see how the candles are forming. The order flow here is evidently bullish in the 1 minute. You can see this fair value gap, it became filled, and bang bang bang. The order flow was bullish over here. I wasn't expecting this bullish run to be this dominant, but yeah, it's what it is. It is what it is. Your Friday didn't want to give me a 4-5 win streak. It's alright, no problem. We come tomorrow with lessons. This is the time that sometimes you're like, yo, I wish it's those days that your SL comes gets missed by a pip, then it goes to your direction. Now that's the moment that you start asking for those types of things. But yeah, you just have to like wait for your setup to like play out, man. Even if it's an L, you already put the SL there. Nah, not touching it. Okay. All right. The moment nimeingia kwa trade na nimehold for like past 15 minutes, mostly I know that trade it's not my A setup. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. This buy was actually a good buy. It's just that I wasn't a buyer. I will have taken this something. This is something that I can take actually. This buy is something that I can take. Trading is very funny. Like I'm short, but I'm seeing my entry setup on on the opposite side. And now I won't take it because I'm waiting for a sell. A sell that now looking at it, it's playing so slow. Yo, don't play with this career, man. Alright. I think it's time to hit the TP now, like to hit the SL. I'm used to hitting TP, man. I think it's time to hit the SL. This order flow is definitely going for my SL. There's no convincing me otherwise, man. This order flow is definitely going for my SL. Yo, I thought this liquidity trade was solid, but yeah, it's whatever. All right. What do we have for the news today? Let's check out the forest factory thing. It's Friday. We don't have any high impact news today, so we might actually consolidate in some few. Okay, I hope this is my miracle. I hope this is my miracle. Like, yeah, I've not closed any positions. I have not closed any positions, yo. Like, now that fair value gap wants to hold. I don't want that fair value gap to hold, man. You see, these are the importance of like following the order flow. You see, I was busy following the 5 minutes order flow. I ignored the 1 minute order flow. Now I'm stuck in this trade waiting for price to change and start going on the sell side. But it's no problem. I guess my level, if it holds, it holds. If it doesn't, yeah. But the hope that I have is that we violated this inverted fair value gap of around here. That's the third time I've seen order flow that's favorable to me. Yo. Yeah, it's crazy. All right. Let's see. Yeah. I guess today is my L day. Today is my L day. Let me open my trade and see the loss that I'm in at the moment. I can take it. I can take it. So I'll wait for full stop loss. I'll actually wait for that to full stop loss. I'll wait for that to full stop loss. And they are delivering it. They're delivering the full stop loss. They don't play. I think they want to give me my full stop loss. I've been asking for it for a minute. Now I think it's time for me to be delivered to my full stop loss. Yo. This is crazy. This is crazy. Alright. I hate these types of trades. These trades where you stay in the market for long. You're not supposed to swing for like an hour. You're not supposed to swing for an hour. Like, this is crazy. What time did I take this position? 10:11. This around 40 minutes waiting for this trade. Right. God damn, I think they got me. See the other flow, what's the other flow saying? The other flow is still bullish, man. I think we need to cut the losers here. This is a straight loser. Let me cut it. I won't wait for full stop loss, and I can see it. It will just hit. Let me. I'll take that 0.5% loss. This is taking long. This trade is taking so long. Almost 40 minutes. Nah, my good trades take like around 15 minutes to hit TP. So I'll just collapse this trade. That's 0.5% loss for today. Yeah, that's 0.5% loss for today. I think that I can afford. Let's close it at that. Yeah, that's our SL for today. We just hit the SL. Yeah, and we finally hit that SL actually. Thank God I closed at 0.5%. Damn, should have bought this market, but it's alright. That's a lesson for today, man. Thank you for everyone who tuned in, man. We took the loss together. But I survived it in my account. Yeah, that's alright. Man, like this was a good session. Lessons. It's fine. Until tomorrow. Until Monday, have a great weekend, Monday. No, I won't take the second trade actually. I'll be contented with that one trade until Monday. Yeah, the best thing that happened for me this week is like I didn't close this week in a loss, man. God damn. I managed to come out of of my drawdown. I was in a 2,500 drawdown, and I managed to come out of that drawdown. You can see, man, like this is awesome. You can see I've taken a few trades here and there. Let's see the statistics. This is my 50k account. Man, that buy trade was good, man, but I read it wrong. It's alright, I read it wrong, it's alright. I won't beat myself over that. So I think the past few weeks I've been taking good trades. Today I just took a loss. I think Fridays I've took a loss in Friday, and I also took this loss today. I won't be trading again today. I'll just leave it at that. Come back on Monday. Okay. You can see, but these trades are since the 13th. Let go of the 7th. The 7th I traded even GBP USD that day, but since the 13th, operating this account that 100 pips target, it's been giving back good deals. You can see, like one trade I was hit 1%. This the other one I hit like 1%. On the 16th I didn't trade. You can see strategic losses and strategic wins. Over time, I guess over time will become profitable. You can see. Yeah, that's it. I think that's it. The best thing is that I came out of that drawdown for this week. Let's get ready for the next week. And until next week, man. Yeah.